Hello and welcome back. Today, we will continue with our customization project. For this, we will need a terminal window. Gain super user access. We need to make the mount point. Then mount the drive partition. Change to the build directory. Now, remove the unneeded directories. Oops, I forgot something. Now we output the directory listing as a text file we can make our build script from. Open the text file in Nano or whatever text editor you like. Now delete the useless parts. By setting up the line like this, it will remove the boot directory recursively and then copy the modified boot directory to build directory and preserve permissions. These are the directories needed to rebuild the image. This line will clear the application repository to free up space. Now save the file and exit. Load Nano and create this file. It will be our startup script. This is optional, but we'll remove the Install Linux Mint desktop icon. Make startup script executable and close the terminal. Click the plus button and add the script. Click the play button to test the script. If it worked, the install icon will disappear from the desktop. Open the terminal window again. Now make the rebuild script executable. Run the script and wait for a long time. If you don't see any errors pop up, then it's working. Change back to your build directory. Type this command to make the new squashed file system. Now wait for a while until this completes. Now you can shut down the virtual machine. That's it for part 2. See you in part 3.